Were you able to do this time or still no?
So I was able to do it.
So simplify this fraction to the lowest term.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Hinu.
When we did this,
Beta, in the last class, were you absent?
yes, sir.
Did you see the recording?
Sir, I was trying to see the recording, but the Wi-Fi was not connecting.
Okay, beta. Then you have to think of a number that will divide 5 and 30. Let everyone do. So I will explain you the upper question. See, think of a number that divides 5 and 20 both. Tell me, Inu, which number divides 15 and 20 both?
Hmm. 5.
5. So I will divide the numerator also with 5 and denominator also with 5. When I divide 15 by 5, I get 3. When I divide 20 by 5, I get 4. So my answer in the lowest term is 3 by 4. Understood?
Understood, sir.
So try this question that I have given you. Amira and Miraya, why are you getting crosses?
So I was confused now. I sent my answer.
And now Mira is the student of my class. Aviana and Cher, send your answer. And Amira, you can resend your answer.
So can you just remind me how to send the answer?
First you write numerator, then you write the slash sign near the shift key. जैसे आपको 3 by 4 भेजना है. First you write 3, then this slash sign near the shift key, then you write 4.
Sir, Thanu Bhaiya also came here.
That's great. You can trouble him.
I won.
Yes. So Aviana, beta, wait, Abu, answer.
Sir,
Aviana, you can speak.
I've sent it.
You have sent it, but can you speak your answer?
So 6-5.
6-5 तो ठीक है बेटा, बट आपको नंबर कौन सा है जो दोनों को डिवाइड करेगा 5 और 30 को? टेल मी अमायर एंड एविएटर.
5.
5. जब आप 5 को 5 से डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या आएगा? What will you get 5 divided by 5?
1.
1. And 30
Yes.
divided by 5?
6.
6. So the answer will be 1 by 6.
Sir,
Understood, Amira and Aviana?
Sir?
Aviana, समझ आ गया आपको बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Yes, Ira, you were saying something?
Sir, I was saying that SG has joined with some other name.
Okay, so I'm just going to give 2 minutes for this question. Get going. Varis, do you know that blocks fruits have non-veg in them?
Sir, it's a game. It's a game that you play.
Okay, give the answer now.
Sir, what does an arrow mean?
एरो मीन्स बेटा आपको उसको एक बार और सिंप्लीफाई करना. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. सी किड्स, सम ऑफ यू डिड बाय 4. When you divided 4 divide by 4 and you divided 12 divide by 4. So 4 divide by 4 is 1, 12 divide by 4 is 3. So this answer is perfect. But sum of you divided by 2. So when you divided 4 divide by 2 and 12 divide by 2. So you got 2 by 6. When you got 2 by 6, इसको आप एक और बार 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हो. एक मिनट बेटा मुझे कंप्लीट करने दे. You can divide this one more time with 2. So again आपको इसको 2 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. 2 divide by 2 and 6 divide by 2. लास्ट में आंसर 1/3 आएगा. So why I gave you guys this question? अगर आप बड़े नंबर से डिवाइड करते हो so you can get the answer in one step only. If you take smaller numbers, sometimes the steps can be 1, 2 or 3 also. Understood kids? जैसे अमायरा मिराया शेर आपने पहले 2 से डिवाइड किया, आपका आंसर 2/6 आया. करेक्ट. उसको आपको एक और बार 2 से करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज 2 और 6 में एक और कॉमन फैक्टर है 2.
देखो ओ देखो चेयर.
अंडरस्टूड अमायरा?
Yes, sir.
Miraya and Sheer, you also understood? Miss Miraya, Miss Sheer?
Sir, can I go to the washroom now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
you can
by
go
mis-
to the washroom.
Sir, by mistake, my mute was off.
Okay, and SG, for the second question, you have not given me the answer. Mr. SG,
Sir, SJ actually left just now.
now I will explain you the off concept. Off भी बिल्कुल simplify जैसा होता है. हम इस नंबर को और इस नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं. इस नंबर से जो दोनों को डिवाइड करे. अब आप मुझे बताओ 16 और 4 को कौन सा नंबर डिवाइड करेगा? 4 पूरा डिवाइड कर देगा, है ना?
Yes.
So I will do 16 divide by 4. 16 divide by 4. कितना होता है?
4.
4.
4.
और 4 डिवाइड बाय 4 कितना होता है?
1.
1. बस ये हम शॉर्टकट में डिवाइड करेंगे. 4 डिवाइड बाय 4 1. 16 डिवाइड बाय 4 4. अंडरस्टूड किड्स? इजी?
Yes.
इजी और नॉट?
Yes, sir. Very, very,
उसके
very,
बाद उसके बाद इस 4 ऑफ का मतलब होता है मल्टीप्लाई. 4 और 1 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा 4 ही आ जाएगा. मेरा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 4. ठीक है, समझ आया किड्स? नेक्स्ट
Yes,
क्वेश्चन
sir.
करते हैं.
Sir, can you
One.
just tell me how did the 4 come?
बेटा बिकॉज मेरा क्वेश्चन था 1/4 ऑफ 16. तो मैंने 4 को भी 4 से डिवाइड किया, 1 आया. जब मैंने 16 को 4 से डिवाइड किया मेरा आंसर 4 आ गया. उसके बाद मैंने 4 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, आंसर फिर से 4 ही रहा.
Okay, sir.
So 1/5 of 30. Solve this question. I like blocks foods. आपने 2 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर नहीं दिया. Third question you don't give the answer. I am calling Mama, the Supreme Court.
So can I tell the answer?
No, beta, you have to send in the chat. Time starts now, 2 minutes. देखो किड्स, अभी तो जो नंबर न्यूमरेटर में है, जो नंबर डिनोमिनेटर में है, दोनों को डिवाइड कर दोगे, आंसर आ जाएगा. So Meera, keep your camera on. Amy and Aviana, send your answer.
Sir, if we know how, sir, if we understood how to do so, can we also do orally?
Yes, no, because sometimes आपको कुछ और आ जाएगा.
If
See
you know
kids,
multiply.
see 5 divide by 5, 1. 30 divide by 5 क्या होगा Myra? What will be 30 divide by 5?
Will be 5.
30 divide by 5 will be 6.
Yes, sir.
और 6 into 1, 6 ही होगा.
Okay, sir.
Next question.
So we have
Yes.
to multiply 6 and 1.
Yes बेटा, you have to multiply, वो proper way है. बट आपकी
Okay,
ग्रेड
sir.
में हो सकता है हमेशा यहाँ वरी लिखा हो, ऐसा हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन किड्स.
One by 8 of 6.
So hello Supreme Court. Today La La La, aka Waris Jain, aka Sushi Guy, is not concentrating in the class. So Air, Amira, share time up guys, send your answer.
Sir, I have sent my answer to Dagdi ma'am.
Amira and share.
So I sent in my answer.
Amira, you can speak your answer. So, Air, what is, when you divide 56 with 8, what will you get?
Sir, just a minute. Sir, by mistake, I think so I multiplied.
Amira,
Yes.
when you divide 56 with 8, what will you get?
When we divide 8.
With a 7, 8 sevens are 56. And 7 into 1, 7. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Guys, ये next question किसी का भी गलत नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
चलो.
Yeah? I don't know how to do this.
Beta, you have to divide the number in the numerator and divide with the number in the
Oh, so
denominator.
basically 124 divided by 4.
Yes, and then whatever you get, you need to multiply with 1. That's as simple as that.
Oh, that's easy. 124 divided by 4. That's
So, so,
Yes, Aviana.
so, but 124 doesn't come in fourth table.
बेटा इट कम्स. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा ना क्या होगा, तो आप 124 को 4 से डिवाइड करोगे. आपको लॉन्ग डिवीजन आता है ना, so you will
Yes.
divide 124 with 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aviana.
right.
So Aviana, Inu, SG, send your answers.
Okay.
Sir, I can't understand.
बेटा 124 को 4 से डिवाइड करना है, बस इतना सा काम करना है. आप डिवीजन भूल गए अवियाना?
No, sir.
देन डिवाइड करके आंसर बता दो मुझे. All right, I'll help you. 4 3s are 12. Then 12 minus 12 will be 0. Because शुरू में मैं 1 digit भी ले सकता हूँ, 2 digits भी ले सकता हूँ. So I took 2 digits, 4 3s are 12. Then 4 will fall down. 4 1s are 4. So my answer would be 31. So 4 divided by 4, 1. 124 divided by 4, 31. 31 into 1 will give me 31 only. Understood, not understood?
Understood.
Now there is a difficult question in fractions
Sir?
chapter. Yes.
How 3 will come because 4 2s are 12.
Beta 4 3s are 12.
Oh yeah, I got confused.
Have we done the 29th question? I think किया था 29th. हमने कौन सा क्वेश्चन छोड़ा था? 26 छोड़ा था एक तो, और कोई भी छोड़ा था क्या इसमें? और 20th छोड़ा था, और 14th छोड़ा था. The cost of a bearing is 3 by 5 of the cost of the sled.
Whatever question there is, can it be a kids question?
Yes, this would be a kid's
Yes.
question,
Yay.
but you will have to explain me also.
Okay.
Do the 26th one. It's a kid's question.
Oh, no. Then both of the CDs cost 50.
No, beta, one CD costs 50.
Sir, does
Yes.
1 2 mean half of 90?
One car will be half of 90. That you have to find out. जैसे हम अभी find कर रहे थे ना, वैसे ही. Yes, share Aviana. Air.
So the
Any.
answer that came is not in the
बेटा आपने
option.
आपने 2 CDs का फाइंड किया.
Yes, sir.
आपने हाफ ऑफ 90 किया जैसे मैंने अभी सिखाया था. 90
Yes,
डिवाइड
sir.
बाय 2. वैसे ही किया 90 डिवाइड बाय 2.
No, sir, I did only 90.
नहीं बेटा, कार की कॉस्ट जो है दैट इज हाफ ऑफ ₹90. इसका मतलब हाफ ऑफ 90. इसका मतलब यू हैव टू डू 90 डिवाइड बाय 2. Miraya, you also can try once again, but with the proper method. Okay. Understood, Aviana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो शेयर अभियाना गाइस, बहुत टाइम हो गया, आंसर करो।
Sir, I cannot understand the question.
तब मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ ना, एक बार और एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। कैन यू फाइंड फॉर टू सीडीज जस्ट अ यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
कैन यू फाइंड हाफ ऑफ ₹90 by dividing 90 with 2?
So that I cannot. So yes, sir.
Can you find 1/4 of 380 by dividing 380 with 4?
So I not didn't that.
So बेटा do it ना, वही तो मैं आपसे बोल रहा हूँ, करो उसको, सॉल्व करो। Amira, Inu, share, solve it. And Aviana, you also try once again. Uja, sister, you also tries once again, beta. If Oja will see, अबू को तो इतना easy question भी नहीं आया, what will she say?
So can I even get a kid because my is correct.
आप मुझे बता दो हाफ ऑफ 90 कितना आया? मेरा आया? Speak up, you are mute. Yes.
I did 30 and 5, then I got the answer.
No बेटा,
I don't
it's
know.
not the correct way ना। आप करेक्ट वे से नहीं करोगे तो किड्स कैसे मिलेगा? प्रॉपरली सॉल्व इट, प्रॉपरली मेरा है। सॉल्व इट वंस अगेन, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला है, डिवाइड 90 by 2, फाइंड हाफ ऑफ 90। नहीं करना क्या, आपको बोल दो मुझे नहीं करना, डोंट वेस्ट माय टाइम देन।
Sir,
यस अमायरा,
my answer is not coming in any
व्हाट
of.
इज हाफ ऑफ 90? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी।
Sir, half of 90 is coming 10. Sorry,
हाफ
4.
व्हाट?
4.
4 कैसे होगा?
I divided 2 with 90.
So you will get 4, 2 4s are 8. What will be the remainder? 9 minus 8.
10.
1 will be the remainder, 0 will fall down. Then we will do 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So half of 90 will be ₹45. Similarly, what will be 1/4 of 380? What is your answer, Amira?
So I divided 4 with 380 and then I did the same mistake. It came 9.
आपने आगे किया ही नहीं बेटा। It will be 95. Then 2 CDs will be 100. So then I will add 100 plus 95 plus 45. I will get what? 1 carry over, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4. It will be 240. Then he spent 240. Then how much is left with him? That is 500 minus 240. So that is equal to 260. Amira, share, Meera, Aviana, Meera, Miraya, please concentrate, beta. Understood or not understood?
Sir.
Pakka, sure, understood. So let's take a break, then we will resume after the break.
But
Sir,
The kids do this question.
no. Ragini Mama has 93 kids. Why don't I have 79?
All right, everyone, all right, do this question.
93.
Time will increase, don't worry, first do this.
Okay, sir. I better go to get this question right, okay? Okay, so 3, 6 or return view. So we have to do this question.
Yes, you have to do this question. Avu, Air, Amy, Inu, share.
Sir, just a minute. I'm sending my answer.
All right. So when I will divide 36 with 3, I will get 3 ones are 3, come 0, 3 twos are 6, will come 0. So my answer would be 12. So share, aviator and air. Aviana, which problem hai?
Understood, sir.
Aviana,
Correct way like this only.
Aviana, beta
Sir,
look
I'm
here.
checking and writing, but how is it wrong?
आपका आंसर क्या आया मुझे बताओ
16.
16 कैसे आएगा 3 1 जा 3 3 minus 3 0 होगा 6 का नीचे आएगा 3 2 जा 6 16 कैसे आ जाएगा बेटे नाउ गाइस मैंने आपको बताया था कि this is 1 this will become 12 and we will multiply this 12 with 1 अगर यहां पे 1 की जगह लेट्स से 2 होता तो क्या होता So I will explain one question. Listen carefully. Aviana, you two, Air, everyone listen carefully. फिर भी मैं जो नीचे नंबर है उसको डिवाइड करता 3 ones are 3, 3 12s are 36. समझ आया ये मैं पहले डिवाइड करता फिर इन दोनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा 12 into 2 24. Understood? Not understood?
Understood, sir.
I will have to multiply these two numbers. पहले मैं ऊपर नंबर नीचे नंबर को डिवाइड करूंगा फिर मैं जो दो नंबर ऊपर है उनको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. Will you be able to do it?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's see.
Five divided by 30 is फाइव के टेबल में 16 हो क्या आता है? 5 1 जगह 6.
So Aviana and Share. Miss Aviana, Miss Share. Shaira, I can't hear you. Aviana, I need the answer.
Sir, I cannot understand the question.
बेटा इट्स द सेम थिंग. जो नंबर ऊपर है जो नंबर नीचे है उनको डिवाइड कर लो.
Yes, sir.
5 ones are 5. Aviana, you also look here, beta. Lower down the camera view. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. अब जो दो नंबर ऊपर है उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 3 into 6 18.
Okay, sir.
मिराया, अवियाना, शायरा, समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो guys, do this question.
Sir, I'm getting disturbed because Arav is just yesterday only we bought crackers and he's just bursting them.
You know Arav is like this only.
Yes, sir.
He will never
Sir,
change.
आज जब सर मैंने स्पेशली बता के छुपाई भी थी फिर भी इसने ढूंढ लिया.
He is
Sir?
like this. Yes.
Do you times not divide the 14 times 7 or divide?
बेटा whatever जो ऊपर है ना, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा डिवाइड हो, और न्यूमरेटर फ्रेंड्स होते हैं तो वो मल्टीप्लाई हो. ठीक है, न्यूमरेटर फ्रेंड्स, वो मल्टीप्लाई, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइड. मेराया क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेटा? एक्स्ट्रा क्लास करनी है आपको, दोबारा से ट्राई करो. सीधे सीधे बेटा 7 नीचे 14 ऊपर है, दोनों को डिवाइड करो. जो बचे डिवीजन के बाद उसको इस 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. इतना इजी तो है. डिवाइड नीचे ऊपर डिवाइड, ऊपर ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई. एस जी आप बताओ, 7 और 14 को डिवाइड करोगे क्या है? आपको डिवाइड करना नहीं आता 14 डिवाइड बाय 7? सो फिर जो भी आंसर है उसको इस ऊपर वाले 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. Aviana,
I did
don't
not
annotate
get
on the screen.
7 7 2 are 14.
All right. So air and SG,
Yes, sir.
आपने 7 और 14 को डिवाइड किया, 14 डिवाइड बाय 7 किया.
Yes, sir.
What did you get 14 डिवाइड बाय 7?
2.
तो ऊपर नीचे डिवाइड कर दिया. 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14. कोई प्रॉब्लम इसमें? फिर जो दो नंबर्स ऊपर है, बिकॉज दोनों ऊपर है, दे आर फ्रेंड्स, 2 into 2 क्या हो जाएगा? विल मल्टीप्लाई देम. फ्रेंड्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 2 into 2 will be 4. Why? दोनों फ्रेंड्स हैं बेटा, दोनों ऊपर हैं. They are friends. Respect them.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Since me and Inayat got it right.
No, beta, no. This is a new concept. No. Do this question.
So,
Yes, Shaira.
so for example, I got multi in dividing, I got 4. I divided 4 and 124. So if I divide them, I got the answer. I have to multiply it with 3.
Yes, beta.
One.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to multiply it because 3 and that number will be in the numerator. So yes, we are going to multiply it with. Here you can try once again.
Okay, sir. I was checking only. 31 and 30 multiplied by 3 as if I got it wrong, but how many was correct? 124. Let's say.
So Aviana and SG, only you both are left.
So, can you check again? I've sent it.
Ma'am, please, you can speak the answer, Aviana. Why don't you speak the answer?
14 and 1.
14 and 1, what is this answer? So Aviana, पहले आपने 124 को 4 से divide किया.
Yes.
What did you get when you divided 124 with 4?
Sir, I did it in my mind.
बेटा माइंड में करोगे तो आंसर कैसे आएगा? माइंड में करोगे तो आंसर नहीं आएगा. मैम मीनू गेट्स अ किड्सो. ला आपने डिवाइड किया 124 with 4. अमायरा
Sir,
आपने डिवाइड
Lala
किया
Lala.
124 with 4.
Yes, sir. Did.
Sir, can you get a kid or not?
4.
Yes.
I did divide.
So what did you get?
31 and my remainder 4.
And your remainder was what?
4.
No, beta, no. Your remainder will be 0. 4 3s are 12. It will be 0. Then 4 will fell down. 4 1s are 4. And your final remainder will be 0. So when you divide 124 with 4, we get 31. Then, because 31 and 3 are numerators, they are friends. So I will multiply 31 and 3. I will get 31 multiplied by 3 will be 93.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I also get a kid?
No. So Aviana, Miraya, Sherer, Amira, समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
अवियाना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो नहीं कर सकते? मिराया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं हम?
So can you explain it one more time? Then I will
I
be
can
able to
explain
do
one
it.
more time. Beta, see, 4 and 124 are in numerator and denominator. Are they friends or enemies?
Friends.
No, they are enemies. एक numerator में एक denominator में, they are enemies. So we have to divide them. So
We
when
have
I
to divide.
divided 124 with 4, I got 31. अगर एक नंबर ऊपर होता है एक denominator में होता है, they are enemies, they are not friends. So we multiply the friends. 31 और 3 friends हैं. जब मैं 124 को 4 से डिवाइड करूंगा, I will get 31. फिर 31 और 3 friends हैं, मैं इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा. Understood? Understood? Miraya, have you understood? And kids, Varis and Amira, beta, don't do the eating thing during the class.
So,
Do this question.
and I have to eat breakfast before school.
Beta, but your performance is going down.
Sir,
You understand, Varis? Then you better concentrate more in the class.
sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm just not bored with this project.
With
I
this
got bored
concept.
now. Yes, sir.
So we will just do today, beta. From next class, we will do something else.
Oh, that's great. Sir, Thursday is off. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday.
So Thursday
Monday
is off. We'll do on Saturday.
Okay, sir.
And kids, I have given, papers to be done from the book. So start doing those papers. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Everyone, I will need an update on Saturday's class. Do we understand?
Yes, sir. Twenty. Sir, it's too easy and Mariah got it wrong. Very easy.
Yes. What did you say?
Sir, this was a very easy question and Mariah got it wrong.
Yes, because Miraya has not solved it. Miraya, आपने 120 divide by 5 किया?
So first I divided 5 to 120. Then what's the answer?
What did you get as the answer?
54.
Division गलत है बेटा. दोबारा से divide करो. SG आपने 120 divide by 5 किया?
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
S, what did you get?
Sir, I got
What did you get?
sir, I got 54.
That is wrong. Do the division again. Share आपने 120 divide by 5 किया?
So by mistake, I pressed it.
बेटा y प्लस का तो इतने क्वेश्चंस हमने एटलीस्ट 10-20 क्वेश्चंस किए. मैंने तो प्लस का नाम भी नहीं लिया एक बार भी.
Sorry, sir. By mistake.
Aviana, are you even dividing?
Sir, I'm dividing here.
So tell me what is, फिर sketch pens use कर रहे हो आप?
So it's not sketch pen.
What is 120 divide by 5?
120 divided by 5 is. Sir, I'm not finished.
So 120 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 will be my remainder. 0 will fall
Teacher.
down. And 5 4s are 20.
Do it.
So my answer would be 24. Then
Excuse
I
me,
have to. Yes.
sorry, sir. Sir Varis is doing all these things orally, half of them. He is writing
Sir?
2-3 sums, but everything is not written.
I was.
Ma'am,
Please
I wanted to even
quickly
have a
run.
word with you, ma'am. Since last 3-4 classes, ma'am, he's not doing it properly.
Sir, we'll can I have a call with you after the class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Or
Yes.
we'll get free later. I'll speak to you, sir.
No, ma'am. You can call me directly after class. That would be better.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Then I will multiply 24 and 2. I will get 48. So that's my answer. So 5 divided by 5, 1. 120 divided by 5 is 24. And 24 into 2 is 48. Got it, guys? मिराया आपने सॉल्व किया नोटबुक में?
So I posted like that. I told you.
आपने ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया नोटबुक में मिराया? मैं बस ये पूछ रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Show me your work. Let me see your work.
Sir, posted divided it here.
योर डिवीजन बेटा केवल आपने एरोज बनाए हुए हैं, उसमें कुछ डिवाइड तो किया नहीं है. आपने कुछ भी प्रॉपरली डिवाइड नहीं किया. अवियाना आपने डिवाइड किया था?
Sir, I was dividing.
Okay. So okay kids, we'll see you after Diwali then. We'll see you after Diwali.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Happy
kids.
Diwali, sir.
Bye guys. Happy Diwali.
Bye, sir.